guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this video is kind of a different video. I have never done this before. So you guys know that I upload Smith & hauls on my channel and they are the most liked videos on my channel. So as I am shopping from Smith & since more than 2 years now, so I thought of making a dedicated video for Smith & products, the products that I have used and that I have loved, and I have repurchased it, the original full size products. So yeah, like many of you want to know this, and since you have requested me on my Instagram, so I thought of sharing today all of my favorite Smith & products with you. So if you're interested, then please continue watching, but before that, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The first product on our list is this. This is our newest buy, but this has become one of my favorite. This in the recent Smith & haul I purchased this, and after that I went traveling, means I went for a holiday, and that time I used this a lot, like almost I finished it. So this is the Wow Vitamin C face wash. So this is the travel size, obviously 25 ml. So this is a very good face wash. In like the claim is it has that deep cleaning and aging also, and brightening a little bit, like and giving a subtle glow on your face, and as well as refreshing. So this is all of it, like it's very refreshing and good quality face wash, I would say. It does not dry out your skin at all. So that's why I really like it. It has oranges, like vitamin C basically. So this is our first product, and I would highly recommend this to you. You should surely give it a try in Smith & Trials and then purchase it. Other than that, it's also available on Wow's website for somewhat 49 rupees. This is available, so you can try it from there as well. So that's our first product. Let's move on to our next product. So our next product is from Plum Goodness. So this is the alcohol-free green tea toner. So this I had purchased a long back ago, and this is almost empty now. It just has a few drops left. So this is a very great toner, I would say. Basically what a toner does is just you have to pat it on your wet skin, and it just absorbs and locks your pores and all. So I have a dedicated review video for this as well. I'll link it in the description. So this does the job very well. It instantly like gives hydration, and like after that if you apply makeup, then the makeup stays on for long. So this is a very good product, and the size also, for one point I got it and it was a decent size. So I very much love this product. So this is also my recommendation to you. Then the third product we have is from Plum again. So this is the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Sheer Matte Day Cream. So this is basically a day cream which comes along with SPF 50, PA+++ and UVA protection. So this is how it looks like. The size is very tiny, I must say, but the quantity inside is sufficient. Like I'm using it for over a month now. Every day, like before going out, I apply it. So it's a very good quality face cream. It instantly mattifies your face, as the name says. It's a matte cream, and along with it, it has SPF, so that's a great thing. So you should also try this from Plum. Then third product that I genuinely love is this. This is Wow. Why it's not focusing? Wow, a hair oil. It has onion and black seed. So this is also sample size 30 ml. So this also I tried from Smith & a few days back, and from that every time I'm oiling my hair with this only, and I just love it. It does not feel oily at all. That's the best part about this. And both onion and black seed are great for our hair. So this is also a great buy. So this also you can purchase. It's thumbs up from my side. So now let's move on to our fifth product that is a bit different. It is the Aryas by Lara Datta Revitalizing Face Mask. So this, I had told you the story about this, that when I bought it, it was written sample size 20 ml, but I got a full 100-gram product. So I was lucky because I just love this face mask a lot. First of all, the packaging is so luxurious. The inside product is also so luxurious. Like you'll feel the difference in a normal face mask and this, because it's a very good quality one and it does the job perfectly. It cleans the pores very nicely. It like gives a subtle glow to your face after washing. So I just love this one. So this also you can definitely try it out from Smith & if it's available in trials. And other than that, you can go to the website as well and buy if you want. So the next thing is a makeup product. So mostly from Smith & I have tried skincare, hair care, body care and all, but I've never tried out a makeup product. Just I ordered one lipstick from Wet n Wild a while back, but it was a no. It was very bad. Then second time for 6 points this was available, like full 199 shipping. You have to pay for just one product, and this was the product. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last. Yeah, no, Wet n Wild Proline Felt Tip Eyeliner, Crayon Eyeliner, Pointy Feature. So this is the one. It's in the shade dark brown. I was fed up with the black eyeliner, so I switched to a brown eyeliner, and from that time I've never gone back. Like, it has become my favorite, my go-to. So this has a very good tip, as you can see, and I just love these kind of tips. And the like pigmentation is also great. As you can see, you cannot hardly tell that it's brown, but it's not that jet black, and that is the one thing I love about it. And it is very long staying and very good quality eyeliner. So it's available like for sale also on various websites, so you can try this out. Definitely, it's a good eyeliner. It stays for long and it does not like come out in flakes, so that's the best part about it. So the next thing we have is a hair serum. So this is also a recent buy, and this is also a recent brand, like newly launched brand, Body Wise. So this is the Body Wise hair strengthening serum. So this is the small size that you get for trials, and it has argan oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, and it's for damage free and frizz protection. So this also I carried on my trip and I just loved it. I used it every day and it's like almost this much now, but it's a very thin serum and it's very non-sticky. It does not feel sticky at all, and as well as this you can apply on scalp as well because it has good ingredients. So this is the one. This also you can definitely try out from Body Wise brand. This is also new brand nowadays. Like, it's a good brand, I must say. So now we are left with just 3 last products that has our heart. So if you are like traveling and you don't want to use those soaps and all, so you can definitely switch to body washes. I have recently switched to body washes on this trip and I loved this new way of bath. So this is the T3 body wash. This is from the brand St. Evans. This is also a very popular brand on Smith & so the quantity that you get is also good over here. So you get, let me see, you get 50 ml of product. So this has tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil, and it's antifungal, antibacterial and anti-odor, sulfate free. So this is a very good quality body wash. Like, after taking a shower with this, you'll feel really refreshed and really like that you have taken a good shower, you'll feel. So this is the one, and I have tried it just like for 7 days now, but I'm in love with this product. It's a very good product. You get body washes from different brands, but the prices are too high, so 50 ml for trial is a good option. It's always available on Smith & Then the next product is my holy grail and my like go-to and my daily wear product, you can say. So this is the Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm. So this is how it looks. I got it from one point a long back ago. I have a video also, so you can check it out. Dedicated review about this. So this is how it looks like, a basic lip balm, and you can see half of that is over. Only half or less than half is remaining because I use it almost daily. Means or not almost daily I use it for my lips, and I cannot live without it. I love the fragrance, I love the moisture that it provides for the lips. So this is also highly recommended product as this is winter time, so you should not forget to hydrate your lips at all. So for that, this is the best product from Nivea. So we are left with the last last product, and that is a fragrance. Like, these types of fragrances are available on Smith & from various brands, but I love these ones from Ital Veloce. So this is a very famous fragrance brand, and they have a lot of these sizes, like for 1 point each, and you can try out all the various fragrances, and I love all of the fragrances. I have tried all of them. So this is Shooting Star fragrance. I have a lot and lots of them, and after they finish, you can reuse the bottle as well to carry your favorite fragrance in it. So this is a very good quality one, and still has a fragrance in it, like it's empty almost. I have emptied all of them, and I'm repurchasing all of them again and again. So they are very good. They come with a good spray, so you can definitely use this for traveling. So that's a great buy. So yeah, these were all of my Smith & favorites. I am like highly in love with all of them. I use them regularly, and that's why I thought of making a video about it and telling you guys about it, so that you can go on Smith & app, log in yourself, use my coupon code, sign up, and then use your trial points to order these beautiful products. And after using them, please do let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Bye.